Thank you so much for joining me for Creepy Crafty Days this month. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. I love doing this series for you guys. A video every day is a lot of work, but it's also so fun. I will also be doing a similar series in December, so I will be doing 31 days of videos then too. If you guys really love the whole, video every day thing, I would love, love, love for you to consider joining my Crafty Club. If I can reach my highest goal there, that will allow me to do a video every single day of the year, which would be amazing. I know, that would be so much fun. I know I would love it. Hopefully you guys would too. So I will leave a link to my Crafty Club down below for you guys to check out. But that is it for Creepy Crafty Days this year. I really truly hope that you guys had fun. Thank you so much for watching and subscribing and sharing and liking and doing all the things. I truly, truly appreciate it. Thank you so much, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!